guys, once again it is the Bro Cave here, but today I'm doing a special twist. I have my big brother here, and he's going to be doing the video for you. Enjoy. Hey guys, this is Bro's brother. This is the first time I've been on the channel. You guys might have heard a little sniff of my voice the first time that he recorded his first video, or was it his second video? It was after his channel intro. Today I'm gonna be playing helicopter hostility for him. So I don't really know how to play, but I'm just gonna do whatever it tells me to do. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna pick Russia. I'm actually gonna pick USA because I feel like USA is way better, and I'm gonna put Russia. Yeah. I don't know how to play, guys. Sorry. I don't really know how to play. Let me see how to play because sorry guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't want to do that. I don't really know how to play. Okay, sorry guys, I was just learning how to play this game. I asked my brother how to play, the host of the channel, so now I'm really into this, so let's get back into it. As you can see, I'm doing much better than I did before.
Ready, go.
Dang it. I'm sorry guys, I'm still a little rusty. Yes. See, I told you guys, I'm gonna get this. Gonna get this so well. There we go. Dang it. There we go. Got him. See, I told you guys. Way better than you guys thought I was. And I'm about to win. Dang it, no, don't let him go. I'm not gonna let the computer come back. Dang it, no! Computer, don't come back! No! I have to be careful right now. No! Yes! I win! Okay, yeah, guys, so, yeah, you guys know I like this game, so let's go again. I'm not gonna change. Oh, draw. Nice one. Ooh, another draw. Told you guys, I'm not as sucky as my brother is. I'm way better at games, so yeah. Remember, this is Emmanuel playing. This is not this is not the Bro Cave. This is his brother guest starring for him today. But he will be back to end the video, just know that. The Bro Cave will be back, okay guys? So don't worry, it's not me taking over the channel. I'm just guest starring for today. Dang it.
Literally, she wants to be an astronaut and started taking the first steps when she was only 10 years old. My dream is ultimately to be able to go.
Okay, so yeah, let's pick a different one. Let's pick Russia versus France. Or France, yeah. Got him.
Big inspiration for me. She's doing a lot of incredible things. It's really important for girls today to follow their dreams because they haven't always had the opportunity to have today. I'm really proud of being the first woman to win the
Dang it! Man, I need to learn. I've learned this game well, but you know. And I'm sorry for you guys seeing the commercials. This might be copyright on me. I hope it's not. I don't want to end this channel. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Enjoy the content. And don't worry, I'm gonna be learning. I'm just starting out on making a channel. Soon I'm gonna be making intros, and I'm gonna be helping Brocave making the. I'm gonna be helping my brother Brocave making the. I'm gonna help him learn how to make the introductions, like on those videos how you see their music coming on. That's gonna be coming to this.
Ready? Go.
Maybe in a few weeks, in a few months, maybe even in a few days. Just a matter of me learning on YouTube.
Ready?
So I hope you guys love the content. There might be a lot of updates soon. You guys might even see my brother's faces. Maybe even me one. One day. That day isn't gonna be today, as you guys already know. But
Who's yours?
no, let's just keep on
Ready?
making
Go. Red wins.
Okay, so we're gonna stop this video at 10 minutes. So, let me see. Oh, sorry guys, I don't want you guys to see that stuff. I'm probably gonna have to edit that out. And yes, I am recording this by Moby Zen. This is how the channel is gonna start out, but soon you guys are gonna love it. There's gonna be pictures of me and my brother. One day, me and my brother are gonna play. The content you guys might be watching soon will be, what's it called? I forgot that fruit game where he sliced stuff. I don't remember. Man, the computer is just too good for me. This is annoying. Why am I so suckish right now? What? Man. Why? Why? Why do I keep on walking right into it? We're at the 7-minute mark. Yeah, I don't really like talking on this channel, so you guys are probably aren't gonna hear my voice that much. By the way, we are recording this on my brother's tablet. That's why the graphics may not be that good, but you guys will probably like it. It's just like any other YouTube video, maybe at 1080 pixels, 1050, 300 pixels, 800. You guys get the drill. That's really good for a Samsung tablet. Congrats if Samsung is able to make it that far. I don't really know how many pixels this video will be, but I know it might even be in 4K. I don't know. But I hope you guys are really enjoying the content. Oh, right now I'm winning. Dang it. Red scores. This is final death right here. Final death, guys. Ooh. Who's gonna make it, the computer or me? Yeah! So, yeah, guys. In this last minute, we're gonna be letting Brocave finish it up. So, here you go, Brocave.
Oh, Brocave back. The real one, actually, not the big brother. Yeah. Hey guys, we're starting one more. I usually suck at this game. I do suck at this game, but let's see if I can do any good on this last one. Because I am actually not that good at this game.
Okay, no matter what. Okay, so just say we're signing off right now.
Okay guys, we are now signing off. I have to go somewhere. Bye guys. Brocave off.